those cases you will use the closest gas station is 2 miles away. That's an example. For geographical nouns or areas such as rivers, deserts, oceans, for example, the Pacific Ocean, the Red Sea, the Midwest. Also, there's something that we should notice here, that those are names of rivers and oceans, and you need to capitalize those words, because they're like names, and you are supposed to capitalize those. For geographical political areas, for example, the United Kingdom, the Soviet Union, there is a rule that we are going to talk about later, that when you use republic or union or kingdom, you use the word the article the. Also for pluralized names, referring to geographic, family, or themes, for example, the Bahamas, the Lakers, all those like names that are pluralized, you will use the. We want to talk about the when not to use the. As you mentioned before, it's important to know when not and when use it. So these are like three main. We have some cases when you definitely won't use the. For example, when you refer to languages or nationalities, you never use the. You will never say the Spanish or the Japanese. You just say Japanese, Spanish, or English, or you don't use the with that. Names of sports, for example, the hockey, the baseball, the soccer. No, in those cases you won't never use the D. It's just soccer or hockey or baseball. When you refer to academic subjects like mathematics or biology, you never use the either. Names of mountains, lakes, islands, parks. These can be confusing with the previous one when to use it. I remember I said that you will use it when you refer to oceans, to deserts, or to oceans. In this case, when you refer to mountains, lakes, islands, parks, you will never use the. I think this is something to memorize a little bit, because it will be kind of confusing, or it's really easy to get confused on those two cases. The Key West, no, Key West or Maui. Now, to talk about names of streets, for example, the Main Street, the Pierce Street, in those cases that the use of the is wrong. You will just use the name of the street as it is. Names of cities, for example, the Monterey, the Pacific Grove. No, it doesn't sound correct. It's just Monterey or Pacific Grove.
Okay, so in summary, you know that there are lots of exceptions. So, but I mean, we have to try our best to learn it and just do it by experience. And they say that practice makes you permanent. So let's practice it, and we'll be permanently, understand how to use the articles. In summary, we have singular nouns and plural nouns, and then for singular nouns we have indefinite articles, which is a and an. We can use it: a book, an orange, an airplane. And we have the definite articles also. We say the book for English class, the orange grown in Florida, the teacher who taught us English. We can use it. But for plural noun, we have we don't have indefinite articles, since it's a plural noun. But we do have a definite article, which is the usage of the for plural noun, as we say the books for English class, the oranges grown in Florida, the people who are coming from South Africa, something like that. So these are the general rules that we have to remember. And we have also arranged two other sources. We thought that it might be very useful for you in spite of our lecture. So you will have two other lectures, one from a Miss students and another lecture from an online source. So we're going to play the first lecture by Miss students, and then we will go